Hey everyone, welcome to AWS Tidbits on Simple and Detailed. Today we will see how AWS Lambda pricing works. An AWS Lambda pricing has two components, one for number of requests and another for the compute used. So this is a sample pricing for a given region. It's about 20 cents per million requests, and it's about this tiny figure for per GB second usage. What is GB second and how is it calculated? We'll check on it. Let's take a Lambda use case, say a backend API, and RPD is request per day. Let's say it's about 50,000. That means it's about 2,000 requests in an hour. If we calculate for the month, it's about 1.5 million requests in a month. This helps us calculate the first component of the pricing, which is about 30 cents for the number of requests. We saw the pricing as 20 cents for 1 million requests. We have about 1.5 million requests, so it's about 30 cents. Now, the duration of the lambda. Let's say it's about 10 seconds. That means 1.5 million requests in a month with each request of 10 seconds. That is 15 million seconds of compute usage in a month. Now, the memory used by the Lambda. Let's say it's about 500 MB for each request. That gives us the GB second of about 7.5 million GB second. GB seconds is the compute seconds in a month multiplied by the memory used by the Lambda. In this case, we have about 15 million compute seconds and the memory used is about half a GB. So that amounts to 7.5 million GB seconds. Once we have the GB seconds, we can calculate the second component of the Lambda pricing, which amounts to $123. Now adding the two, we get about $124. Let's quickly see another use case, a batch processing Lambda. Let's say it runs 6 times a day, which is every 4 hours, and it runs for about 2 minutes and it uses about 1 GB. So here we have only about 180 requests per month and 22,000 GB seconds. So the total amounts to just short of 40 cents. So this is one of the scenario where you realize the true power of a serverless architecture and a function as a service. Subscribe for more such tech tidbits.